Megawatt Park in Johannesburg on an autumn morning to hear how South Africa's power supply will struggle through the winter. The word from Eskom is that it's going to be very tight for the next 2 years. Eskom also needs to take out some of its aging power stations for repairs and maintenance. For now, the effort is to keep the lights on at all costs.
The Department of Public Enterprises remains resolute that the country should never go through another period of painful rotational load shedding as experienced in the past.
To make matters worse, a breakdown at Duva coal-fired power station has 600 megawatts down that won't return until next year. 900 megawatts at Koeberg nuclear power station will be out until May. Eskom is urging the country to believe in waste not, want not.
We save more electricity, 1,000 megawatts across the system, or 10% on 37,000 megawatts. We deal with this issue. And all of us can save 10%.
Business is also watching Eskom's performance and calling for action.
These problems have to be dealt with in a combined and concerted manner, and in a manner which recognizes that extraordinary things will have to be done by all of us in order to find a solution. It cannot be done as business as usual, taking long time frames. We should be able to speak openly, shout with each other.
Have enough capacity. The other thing of concern to me, of course, is the situation is tight. We've been told this over and over and again. Generation capacity, spare capacity is tight at the moment. What this really means in concrete terms is that the probability of blackouts in the event of some unlikely and unforeseen situation arising, the probability of blackouts becomes higher.
But Eskom does have its coal handling and reserve margins in better shape. In the power cuts of 2008, Eskom had a 5% reserve power margin. At the very least, this winter, it'll have 14% reserves.
Most people agree Eskom is trying its best, but everything in the garden is far from lovely. And by the time these late blooming flowers die off, we'll all be facing a long and bleak winter.